Hey everybody, John here with Detailer's Garage. So I thought I would order a couple of the Milwaukee Packout crates. As you can see, I've got a little bit of the Packout system. I haven't purchased too much of it. I've got the main box here, and then I have the two smaller boxes, which are here. I don't have anything in this particular one just yet. And then in my other one I have some electrical parts, pieces that's in here. Now I wanted kind of something that would be larger, a little more open, that I could just throw miscellaneous different things into and carry around. But I wanted it to match up with the Packout. That way it stayed together, just connect it, everything's good. So we're gonna pop this open, take a look at it, and see what it's all about. Well, this is the 2-pack version. So there are 2 in here. Okay, so first thing we see here, this looks like one of the bottoms here. Let's go ahead and flip it on upside down. There we go. Okay, so here's the bottom. So this is the bottom of the Packout crate. Here you have your lock. You snap it into place. There's handles on each side. And here on the back are Packout designed hooks. So they actually sell a base that you can mount onto the wall, and then you can actually take the crate, you can hook it. So you can have multiples of these, you know, running up the wall. Let's take a look at the, let's see, so you can stack them, right, which you can. Okay, so you can stack them. I don't know if these lock together though. I'm curious. It's hard to do it. It does. Yeah. So you can lock these to each other. I didn't know that you could do that. That's really cool. Of course, it makes it easier if these things are attached to something. There you go. But yeah, so they're stackable, hangable, impact resistant body, and up to 50-pound capacity. Let's see what else is on this. Yeah, that's really about it. Let's get some measurements of these and see how big they are. So the outside dimensions will be roughly about 19 inches. The height, roughly 10 inches. And then the depth is roughly 15. It's about 15 inches, somewhere right in that area. So let's take a look at the inside. So here we can see, it looks like there's a place where you could put a divider in here. I don't know how well you guys can see this when we get a little bit closer here. So it looks like there's a little slit that's here. another one here where you could put some type of a divider in there. There's also two more little slits there as well that's not on the back side, so I'm not for sure what those are for. I have to do some searching on YouTube and see what they're going with that. And so let's pull some measurements on the inside. The inside of the unit measurement says 9.5. It's 9.5 inches tall. It's about 16 inches this way. And roughly 13 inches that way. So we know that these can interlock with each other. This was one of the main reasons why I got it, so I can throw miscellaneous stuff into it, and that will lock with the rest of the Packout products that I have. So you can see there, it's locked right in there. So put this, since I was able to lock it in with that, you should be able to lock these into almost any different level within the organizer, the Packout. I don't know if it will work very well with these, but if you have the larger full size, you can definitely put that on top. Let's just try a couple of these and see what happens. Probably not going to work that great, but okay, well, you can lock it in there, but it's going to be able to slide this way. So let's try putting the lever on that as well. So as you can see, there's nothing holding in the center of that. Then you can lock this on top, but one piece. So you can configure this pretty much any way that you really want to. So I think these are going to work out well for my purpose. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to use these yet. With my detailing business, I think what I may end up doing is I may end up using these to store some rags, that kind of thing, polishing cloths. I'm not sure if they make lids for these. I would love to know if they do make a lid that you can put on it and just open it up that way. I have to check into that and find out. Some people say they are overpriced bill crates. Yes, they kind of are, but you're also paying for the technology that they use to put these together. So, you know, it's kind of part of it too. Looks good together. Very happy with them so far. They're very simple, not complex. Don't have a whole lot to it, just do what they're supposed to do. And so, you know, if you have, you know, if you're on a construction site and you just have stuff laying around, you just need somewhere to throw it. These crates are just perfect for that. Old towels, which is probably one of the things I use it for, possibly, is where to put all my old towels after I'm done detailing the car. Just pile them up in here, can take it. And what I like is with that platform that I was referring to, they make a base that you can mount to the wall. Well, you can also mount it directly onto something, you know, like a flat surface, and then put the crate, lock it in there. So if you have a van or a truck that you use for your work, and you want to have some crates but you don't want them sliding around. Just mount that plate and lock them down. They're not going to go anywhere. So yeah, I think these things are pretty cool. Really like them, enjoy them, and yeah, definitely check them out. I'll post a link to them on Amazon where you can find them. I think they'll run about $39 a piece. So anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, bye.